So it's a much better evening. So, it's not cold. We have something flying up there over the trees. It's like a little, oh. Okay, yes. It looks like a neat little kite. Zoom in on it. I can hold it. There it is. Nice little kite flying up there. Hard to tell what it is. Back out from it. I guess there. Come back up from it. Nice little kite. He's in full sniff mode today. I think he's anxious. He knows he's going camping. Going camping this weekend. Yeah. If the rain holds off. If the rain holds off, we should be going to explore a 150-year-old Woodsman's Museum at night. They used to have a train. They used to have a train that went around the all of the sights to see. I'm pretty sure they still have it, but it doesn't run at night, so that's the fun part. You walk around it at night and it's like pitch black, so all you're seeing is through your headlamps and through your infrared. It's a very spooky spot. I grew up around there, and I remember when we had to walk by, it was like we just kind of jogged by because we were a little more frightened about the place. But we've been over there, I think only one time, with just me and Coop. And no, actually there was 4 or 5 of us. Yeah. And there was me and 4 girls and Coop. And couldn't really do much because they were freaking out all the time. So, but at that time you didn't carry around a camera to video stuff. But I think it would be interesting to do it, so we are aiming for Saturday. So, coming up on Coop's Adventures, the Haunted Museum. We almost had my house, my grandmother's anyway. We almost had it, but since I have never borrowed money from a bank before, they wouldn't give it to me. And funny fact is, I had about half of it. I had the cash to pay for like half of it, and they wouldn't give me the rest. Like it was like $40,000. So that was a bummer. I wanted that property back. It was in our family for 150, 200 years. And I had the chance to get it. But it'll be gone now, soon. So that's mine and Cooper's dream, is to get out of the city, get to the country where we can retire. Right, dude? Retire early. So here's a picture up the street, off the trail. There's a picture down the street. Very nice place, especially if you live in a very dense city. You would think that you were in a rural area, but no, not here. This is city for us. There's only 60, 70,000 here. But when you're brought up in the country, where your population is about 800 people, you're definitely living in a city when you're at 70,000. So we are trying to get Cooper settled outside the city because he definitely doesn't like it. It's too much for his nerves and anxiety, because he was brought up from day one as a country boy, and due to circumstances that he couldn't help, he had to come with me and move to the city. He just couldn't stay with his mother at the time, even though it was a better place for him as far as the country. But no, he just couldn't be away from me, so he was pretty depressed until he got up to see me, and then he wasn't going home, he said. He's like, no way, I'm not going home. I'm sticking with you. You pay attention to me. You take me out. We do things together. I just go down there and lay on the deck. So it wasn't a hard choice for him. It's just, I would love to get him back to the country. It's where he's happiest. But it's not as easy as what one would think.
Yeah, zooming through, but there's people.
But we had a really good chance this time, and we would have not only got grandmother's property back in the family, but we would have got a place in the country right along the river for Cooper, and it just would have been heaven all over that little bit of money, $40,000. And I eventually could have got it, but I needed time, and I just did not have the time. It was a place that was going to sell fast, and I just got the word today that somebody was interested in it, so but we'll just keep doing what we're doing, I guess. Maybe something will turn out. Right, Goopy? We're gonna cross up over here, Coop. We're gonna cross this way, buddy. We're gonna cross this way. It's the lumber mill. Cell phone towers. And this is the lumber mill in here. Another biker coming, Coop. Get over this way. Stay over this way. So that's the lumber yard. And this is where they play hockey right here. So a little note today from the house thing. So, but yes, hopefully if all goes well, Saturday we will do the camping trip and check out the museum at night with all the old machinery in their log buildings, which I'm sure, if you're believers, has a lot of spiritual attachments to it. And there's Coopies enjoying the grass roll. Yeah. So we will close her down from here.